Morning guys, I'm parked up at the Spittal of Glenshee and I'm going to go away up there by the Munsey Castle and up to Glas Tulaichean with the bike. It's a bitter cold October morning, but it's supposed to be kind of bright spells today. It was sunny earlier on when I got up, but it's got a wee bit overcast. I don't know if the summit's going to be in Clagger, but it doesn't look too promising now. But and you can hear there's some stags up there and they've been roaring away for about the last 10 minutes. If you can hear them. I've seen them just, their heads were, antlers were just popping at the top of that wee hill there. Aye. Right, I'll catch up a wee further up the trail. I need to get through this gate, but I don't know if these guys are wrong to move out my way. Hello. You just going to stand there all day? Right guys, I know there's a couple of river crossings here. I was worried they were kind of going to be in spate because there's been a lot of rain recently, but it doesn't look too bad. I don't want to ride through it in case I hit a big boulder and end up in the water, so I'm just going to tiptoe over that bit there. See the other side. Wasn't too bad. Stepping stones are not that deep, so feet are still dry. These are great boots anyway. These have never let any water in, no matter what bogs I've been in. Anyway, it is bitter cold. It's a headwind right into your face, and it's that wind chill factor. It's absolutely freezing. I'm glad I've got my thermal jacket on. Anyway, we'll plod on, see further up. Can't get my GoPro to fire up. It's a fully charged battery, it's in it. I charged it last night before I left. No. Oh well. Anyway, second river crossing done. Just over the wee stepping stones there. And it's up all the way now, so I'll just take some video at the top. As I say, my GoPro, I can't get it fired up. I'll have a wee look at it once I stop again, but take the battery out and put it back in, but push on for now. Good news, I got the GoPro button, just took the battery out and put it back in again. That's where I stopped the wee river crossing the last time. There's a steep push up there. Woof! Way up there. I'm going to get a wee drink of juice and I'll push on again. See you in a bit. First wee spatter in the snow this winter. Behind this planter. Yeah, it's not far away. Another bloody jammer. Chains just come off and get wrapped in the back of the cassette, so bear with me. Right guys, drama over, sorted. I also need to adjust my derailleur because as what's happened is when I into tap gear there, it's just right over the edge. Anyway, let's push on. No more dramas. Probably can't pick it out in the GoPro, but when I go over there, what a view. It's absolutely stunning. And that wee spattering of snow on the top of it. What a great viewpoint. Absolutely stunning up here. As long as the cloud stays away. Aye, but look, plenty of snow about. I'll push on, then over there. Hey guys, I'm just going to leave the bike there and walk up to the summit because I can't get the last couple of gears because it just keeps bouncing out. I need to sort my derailleur out when I get back home. I need to sort the derailleur out, but look at the views. Absolutely stunning. That's the Monroe you do with this one if you're on foot, Carnarriach. Looking right over to Bendigo there. The views are amazing, absolutely stunning, and that wee spatter in the snow just makes it all even better. But anyway, I'm just going to, it's just a wee short walk up to the summit. I'll leave it right there and I'll come back to it. There we go guys, summit trig point. The views are absolutely superb. Whew. Glas Tulaichean. Look at the views, man. Absolutely stunning. Right over to the Cairngorms Giants. See one with tours. I don't know if it's maybe Ben Vane or Ben Avon. GoPro won't pick it up, but it's one of the two anyway. Absolutely beautiful. That wind would cut you in two. Oof.